Hey everyone, and welcome to our first tech tidbit for our tech newsletter. We are going to be focusing on a really cool collaboration site tool that you can use for yourself professionally or with your students, or have them use it as well. And it is a site called Wakelet. So you'll have to set up an account, but I just set up mine through our Google account. So you can sign in or log in with your Google account. Really, really simple. And once you are logged in, this is what your home screen will look like. So I've added a couple, but yours will be blank, and it'll have, like I said, it'll be connected with your Google account. You can create whatever you have is almost like your handle. So when you're ready, you do start new collection. And this is a really, really cool thing to kind of keep everything in one place. So it's kind of one-stop shopping for yourself or for your students. So you have the ability to add a cover image, so a picture that will show up when you share it with your students. You can add your title, and you can put a little description with it as well. The great thing about Wakelet is it is super, super simple to use, because all you really need to do is click on your green plus sign. It gives you a number of different things that you can add, from URLs. You can add in text, tweets, YouTube videos that you want to use. If you have PDFs for your kids, you can attach stuff from your Google Drive or your OneDrive eventually. It'll allow you to add Flipgrid, different pictures. So there's a lot of different stuff that you can use with Wakelet. So once again, super simple. So say we want to do a URL. We just wanted to add in our Mangum website. We can just copy. We'll paste it. And once you paste it, it'll give you an image for what you just put in. So this is what comes up with our Mangum website. Same thing, if you wanted to add in a YouTube video, you just would have to select which one you're doing. So I would do the submitting things to Canvas. Same thing, once you have your URL, paste it, hit our search menu, it'll search YouTube, it'll find what you're looking for, and then you can add it in as well. Same thing, it will give you kind of a thumbnail for when you add in whatever you're adding in. A couple other easy things, you can change how it is displayed. So media view is kind of what we're looking at now. Compact, it'll just shrink it a little bit and won't give you as much of a picture of what it is. Still give you kind of what you're looking at, whether a website or a video. You can do grid mode, so it's going to kind of just stack them in a 2x2 format. And then they call it a mood board, which once again it kind of stacks them, but it kind of gives them a little bit different engaging view towards what you're trying to use. So in terms of putting it together, very, very simple. That's a reason we're showing it, because it's really, really easy to use. Big thing here too is, just like when you send out stuff through your Google Drive, right now it's always going to be private, so you're the only one that can see it. You can change it to two other things, where you can make it public so everyone can see it, or you can do unlisted, where you can share that with, like I said, your students or parents, or however you want to use it. There's also, you can invite people as well. So this is how you would share your link. So you just copy this and share it out. You can also use a QR code as well. And when you're all ready, you would hit done. And then it gives you a preview on what you can do or how it'll look. You can always go back and edit it. And then, like I said, another option, you can share it this way as well. Then just to get back to where you were, just click home and it'll show you here as well. So that is Wakelet for our first tech tidbit on our tech newsletter.